So here at Stonehewer Moss we offer private client services which most people think of as wills and probate. Wills is probably one of the areas that people come to see solicitors most about, apart from conveyancing, and it's the one area that really people should frankly see their solicitors more about. Everybody needs a will, most people haven't got a will, but the people that have got a will probably need a different will. Anybody who's had a circumstance in their life where anything's changed at all, whether they've bought a house, got married, got divorced, had a child, will probably need to change their will. A lot of law firms offer what they call mirror wills. I think there's a very small number of occasions where a mirror will actually be appropriate for your clients. What we mean by a mirror will is a will where the husband and the wife basically leave their inheritance to the wife and vice versa in exactly the same way, hence it's called a mirror will. One of the main problems with mirror wills is that of course you have no say about what happens to your estate after you've passed away. If you were to leave all your estate to your partner, your wife or husband, once you've passed away, that person's likely to remarry. If you've got children already within your relationship, you might wish to make sure that some of that, or some of your estate, actually goes to your child, especially if the other party may go on and have other children with other partners. I would never recommend a mirror will. I'd say think about what your home circumstances are, think about what they're likely to be in the future. Is it possible that at any time in the future you may think, well actually I don't want that individual to get my entire estate, I may want it to go somewhere else. Well, if that is the possibility, then you're not going to want to give a mirror will. We offer at Stonehewer Moss Solicitors, we offer a free will check so that people who maybe have a will, maybe thinking, actually I'm not sure this will is saying and doing the things I'd want it to do. You can bring it in to us, we'll have a look through it, we're not going to charge you, and we can run through it and tell you what would happen on that will in the circumstances that may apply today or may apply in the future. Powers of attorney are another thing that people don't have. They're very important, everybody should have one. If you don't have a power of attorney and for whatever reason you're rendered unable to make your own decisions, it's very expensive to get the Court of Protection in to sort out your affairs. It's much easier at any age to get a power of attorney. So in the event that you can't make your own decisions, whether that's temporary or a permanent situation, that somebody else can make those decisions on your behalf. There are two types of power of attorney. One is the financial and the other one is for health and welfare. The financial one obviously deals with your finances, and that's a separate document to the health and welfare document, which is one which basically giving instructions about what would happen if you were to be in a position where people might have to decide about life-sustaining treatments, etc., whether you'd want it or not. And that's so important. If you do end up in that sort of situation, you may really want your voice to be heard. It's very important that you make a power of attorney as early as possible, because accidents can happen to anybody at any time. The people walking down the street who are going to need a power of attorney tomorrow didn't think they needed one today, and by the time you need it, it's too late. So if you need any help with wills and probate, give us a call, go to our website or drop us an email.